However, first of all, it's an honor to be here, and the Vietnamese community is the second largest Asian ethnic group here in San Diego, beside Filipino. We have businesses everywhere in Linda Vista, East San Diego, in Mesa, in Claremont. You go everywhere. We are doctors, we are lawyers, we are military officers, we are servants of this country. It is an honor to finally see that there is a proposal that the Vietnamese community are finally being recognized here in San Diego for the contribution they have made to this community itself and to the community of San Diego. So I urge the council to go ahead and vote for the Little Saigon Foundation. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.